Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another week in review. That's right, this is the second week of the year, and we've had a lot of fun videos. Video number 1 was Monday, and that was how to make a decorative utensil holder. I took some fence board, I took a mason jar, I took some chain, and a horseshoe, and I made a really neat little decorative holder. You're going to want to see that one. It's an easy to make project, okay? Now, also you want to see Tuesday's video. Tuesday's video was how to take a Barney doll. In fact, this was one that had all sorts of little buzzers and things and doodahs on it. How to take a Barney doll and turn it into a puppet. And I think this is probably going to be one of my favorites next to the creating the Elmo puppet, and that was a fun one too. The third day of the week on Wednesday, we had the Lion King project. It was a Lion King toy that had a twist to it, and it ended up being a fun puppet project. So you want to see that one. It was the Lion King puppet. That was a fun one. On Thursday was a little unique because it was a quick tip. It was an easy video. I went to a thrift store and I was rummaging through and I found a Build-A-Bear that had already been gutted. In other words, they had either not put the filling in it or somebody had ripped open the back. There's a fun way to make a puppet out of a Build-A-Bear doll. So that's really good. Also on Friday was a really good episode because it got some creative juices flowing. When I was back in the workshop, I created some puppets from a child's jacket. I took a kid's jacket, like I don't know, it's not velour, it's the stuff they make the blankets out of, the really soft. Anyways, you'll get the idea. I took a kid's jacket and I made 3 different puppets out of that using components from other stuffed animals. And that was fun. That was creative. A sewing machine was involved, so if you like to sew, that's a good one to do there. But that was on Friday. And Saturday was kind of a follow-up to last week's episode of how to make a bird feeder. This was how to make a bird bath from decorative items. I used some brass candlesticks. I used old ashtrays, things like that, stuff that you'd be parting with on your own, but I made something creative. I made a bird bath out of them. And that was the week, guys. You know what? I've been enjoying sending you out these videos. I want to hear some feedback, though. I want you to tell me if there's something special that you want to do. In fact, I've gotten some responses. Some people want me to make a, what is it? Oh, right here. One of these guys, Cookie Monster doll. Yeah, he's a Cookie Monster. Now, he came that way. He likes to talk that way, and maybe I'll do something fun with that. But I've got one back here that I would like to eventually make a puppet out of. So I think we're going to do that. We're going to figure out how to preserve the look of the bear. No, I guess he's a bear, monster, what have you. Anyways, we're going to make a Cookie Monster puppet eventually. It might not be this actual Cookie Monster. It might be one of the others. I've also got Bugs Bunny. I've got this little guy here from from the Frozen movie, I guess it is. The little snowman there. Anyways, I've got a lot of stuff. We're going to do some fun projects. But I want you to tell me what you want. And I want to thank you very much for watching these videos. I thank you very much for coming back time after time. Tell your friends. Also, if you're here for the first time, please feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel and you'll get the videos ahead of time. The way I'm posting them on my Facebook group, I'm a little behind on that, but you'll get them first if you're logged in to YouTube. All those little reminders will pop over. Okay? Thanks again. This is the DIY Magician with a week in review. Until next week, we'll see ya.